You're so good. Good shot. Get out. That's the way to weave out, Brian. Good. You got to get that distance better with that jab, dude. You're going to have to step in on him. You have to step in on that jab. You got to get closer. You're still reaching. Don't reach. You got to get closer, Brian. You got a feint coming in. Know where you're at. Know where you're at. Look at your feet. Look at his toe. Look where your foot is. You ain't going to hit him being that far out. You know how we worked on it. Head movement coming in. Slipping. Jab, slip, jab, jab. Jab, slip to the left, jab, jab. Weave, slip, slip, weave, weave coming in. Cut the distance. Know where your feet are. Good. Nice and short. Good. Get that jab popping right off that combo. Boom, boom to the body, and then pop, pop. Pop the jab right off of it. Hands up, Brian. Hands up. Come on. Tuck your elbows into your ribs. Your arms won't get tired. Cover the chin. Scoot in. Just scoot in on them. Scoot in. Head movement. Scoot in. There you go. You got to cut the distance, dude. Come on. Come on. Don't put your... There you go. You want to put that on, then we'll put the wrap over it. I can do it on that 30 seconds. I can do it pretty quick. You know what you need to do is, I need to put that on first and then throw it on. I know how to do it like a special way.
I'll put this on.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, wrap that up like from the Velcro. Wrap down. Yeah, go down on that end. Now wrap. Give me the wrap. Wrap down like this. All the way through. Okay? All the way through. Keep going. Just straight down. There you go. Hold it the other way, though. Just roll down like this. Roll down like this. Here, you hold that.
Big strong guy.
He is strong. You. Good time.
Yeah.
Woo! Good job. Woo! Woo!